Alrighty guys, about to start tearing down these Obsidians. I'm going to start with the one I've already cut. Alrighty. Well, the motor still looks good. It's sticky in there, that's for sure. Sprayed resin everywhere, or glue, or whatever you used to hold these together, but set that down there for now. Move this motor and basket. Get the coil up here. Alrighty guys, we're over here checking out these coils. If it decides to focus, nice and black. I rotate, you can see it was coming loose there. Actually did come loose there. Right there. Sorry if this is sort of a weird shot. It's hard for me to look and watch the camera at the same time. This right here, I'm not sure if I bottomed it out right here, if I did that when I was pulling it apart. I never heard them bottom out, but that didn't mean they didn't. See, it was rubbing there. I probably rubbed that off pulling the coil out. Some glue there that's melted and gotten all over my hand. I have a feeling these are going to be fun to clean up to recone. It's all the way around that. I did not know these were... Oh, they are double spider subs. I thought they were single spider subs there for a minute, but they're double. Man, these were just getting broken in too. That really irritates me. They were just starting to do really well. But, you know, it happens. Just part of doing what we do. Yeah. Anyways, that's the cone from a blown Obsidian 18, which I destroyed prematurely. And I'll be reconing them soon enough. But you know, that's it. And yes, they were sort of dirty. There was some sawdust in the box I didn't know about. Oh, there's some glue down in there. That's nice. You can see down in there some nice glue and nastiness. That'll be fun to clean up. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you guys later.